Fine and dry conditions this Saturday morning over most of South Africa. In fact, it's going to be a hot afternoon in the Lowveld with maximum temperatures potentially exceeding 30 degrees. Ahead of two cold fronts, it could become windy over the central parts of South Africa, while cloudy, cold and wet weather will spread to the Eastern Cape this evening. The South African Weather Service issued a watch for high seas today, with wave heights exceeding 6 meters between Cape Columbine and East London. There's rain in the forecast for most of the Western Cape, as well as along the west coast and the adjacent escarpment. Rain spreading to the Eastern Cape this evening, and there's even a chance of light snow on the mountaintops of the western parts of the Western Cape. Nevertheless, we're expecting high temperatures over the northern interior, 25 in Polokwane today, 27 in Bombela, Richards Bay reaching a high of 30 degrees, mild conditions in the Free State, 20 in Bethlehem, 22 degrees in Bloemfontein today, but very cold on the western high ground, 9 degrees in Sutherland, 11 in Springbok, and Cape Town cold as well with a maximum of 14. Along the west coast today, an open ocean swell as high as 4.5 meters, reaching 6 meters in the vicinity of Langebaan. Southwesterlies up to 20 kilometers per hour. The southwest coast remains windy this afternoon, wind speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas. There's an open ocean swell as high as 6 meters, which translates to breakers of 10 feet on the beachfront. High tide expected just before 7 o'clock this evening. The south coast with southwesterlies, wet weather, fresh winds up to 30 kilometers per hour, reaching 35 in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, with an open ocean swell of 6 meters. Along the east coast today, we're expecting very pleasant conditions. We could even see light offshore winds along the north coast initially, but it's going to be quite blustery in East London later on. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, but wave heights reaching 4.5 meters further south.
News that moves. eNCA.com.